Tired of taking that yogurt in your refrigerator? At the same time, you don't want to do away with it. Don't worry, Lady C got your back. Let me show you what you can do with it aside from drinking. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. All right, grab that yogurt and transfer into a bowl. All right, I'm using sweetened yogurt, so I'm going to control the amount of sugar that I'm going to add. If you are using plain, feel free to add sugar as much as you wish. I'm moving with cooking oil, vanilla, and egg. If there is any ingredient that I added here that you don't want, you can remove it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mixing, it is time to move in with the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right, to the flour, I'm going to add baking powder and salt to balance the taste. Okay, go ahead and mix. I started mixing with a spatula. I feel like it's my fingers that will do the job perfectly. So I'm going to move in with my fingers. Make sure that your fingers are very clean. As long as your palms or your fingers are clean, it is more hygienic than gloves. Okay. Now go ahead and continue mixing till you form a smooth popping dough, just like this one. You need to feel that dough. I love the dough, very soft. I love the texture. Okay, time to take it to another level. Dust the work surface with some flour. You are going to place the dough. You need to touch that dough. Don't miss this recipe, please. Arrange in a way that it will be easier for you to roll. Moving with the rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough. Feel free to ask me any question regarding this recipe. I will be at the comment section to take your questions. All right. Beautiful shout out to you, Divine, watching from Abuja, Nigeria. Paul from UK. Augustine from Togo. Caroline Adamson watching from Malawi. And Miriam all the way from Zimbabwe. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, the thickness of the dough depends on you. As you can see, this is the thickness of mine. Look for any round object around your kitchen and start cutting in a moon shape. If you are with me at this moment, type beautiful moon at the comment section. You don't need any special gadgets to do this. Just look for any round object in your kitchen. Make use of it. We are creative bangers. We can use anything to create something. That is why we are creative bangers. All right. Repeat the same process with the other ones. You can air fry if you don't like oil. You can bake this recipe if you wish, but I prefer to fry. All right. Go ahead and fry as demonstrated. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Don't forget to hype this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for doing that. Flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Once it is golden brown like so, take it out of the heat. Look at that. Look at those beauties. I'm loving it. I love the color. The color is popping. We are done, creative bangers. Very simple and easy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. Okay, you can go ahead and enjoy just the way it is, but my little girl asked me to dust with sugar powder just to give it more appetizing look. It is totally optional. Go ahead and marry with your loved ones. Look at that. If you love this recipe, type yum at the comment section or type me at the comment section if you want to see more of simple bangers. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.